Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to explain to you a very important aspect to consider when analyzing in the forex market. So usually people find it difficult to determine which time frame is more important than other. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain to you what is known as the top-down analysis. This tool is used in analyzing the forex market. It enables you to make very accurate trades, as you can see the market from these different perspectives. You can also aid it to your day-to-day trading, whereby you'll be using your strategies, be it Bollinger Bands, be it moving average, be it the pure price action. You can just use it in any strategy that you like. Okay, so first one, I'm just going to use this as an example. So as you can see right now, let me just close this. As you can see right now, we are in week one. So in week one, we are seeing the market as it is right now, like this. So in week one, we identified the major points. So like this one, this point, but I'm just going to put it as an order block. Let me put an order block here. Okay, so let us edit the order block. Yeah, so the order block is like this. So this is a very area of confluence whereby it has been reflected a lot of times. And also draw another one. So all these analysis we are doing it in week one. This is a very big time frame that is usually used by big traders, where they trade for a very long time. But however, it is also important for those scalpers, for those who want to just enter the market within a space of maybe 30 minutes or even less, or even an hour. It's still important to you guys, because you know where the market is going in the long run. Even though you cannot enter the market in the long run, you just have to know where it is going, so that you won't be caught on the wrong side of the trade. So now that we have seen the market from a weekly point of view, let's move on to daily, and then move on to daily. So in daily it is more detailed, but then we have to consider some major points, like for example this one. There is a left shoulder that was created like this one, as you can see, but then it has already been retested by the right shoulder at this point, so it is no longer that accurate. But however, it is an important part of the market, because you can also use it in your trading. Okay, so as you can see, in daily time frames there is no major thing, so we move on to 4 hours. So generally this top-down analysis, we use it to see the market in the long run. That's basically what the tool is used for, like this. Right, so as you can see, in 4 hours we have drawn a falling wedge that is more like a triangle, but then the market is going in is showing some major buying power, but then we have no further confirmation that the market is going to buy. So we'll move on to the lower time frame. We move on to 1 hour. As we have moved on to the 1 hour, we are seeing that the market, even though it is showing the buying power, it is facing some resistance from this point. So just know that you cannot see these things in a weekly time frame, so you have to move to lower time frame so that you can see the market in detail. But then it is also important to see the market in the higher time frames, because you know where the market is going in the long run. This is basically the top-down analysis strategy that we consider. And we move on to 30 minutes. It's all the same, but then we just have to see. So usually when I'm making my trades, I usually use the top-down analysis, whereby I analyze my markets in 4 hours, but I just have to go to the weekly time frame and the daily time frame just to see how the market was doing from that point of view. And then I make my analysis in 4 hours, and then after making the analysis in 4 hours, I go to 30 minutes like this one. I like this one because it helps me to see the confirmations, that is the candlestick confirmation. So if you haven't watched one of my candlestick videos, I will put the link in the description box below. So the video generally explains the confirmation methods, that is the candlestick patterns that is formed in the market, so that you can know when to enter the market and also when to leave the market. So in this one, let's see if we can find anything in the 30 minutes time frame. There's nothing that you can use to aid in our confirmation analysis, so we just have to wait for other confirmations. After all, there wasn't any good setup that we can use to enter the market. So I'm just going to cut the video, and then I'll do another video on top-down analysis. It is a very important tool that you should consider when trading. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please watch out for the next video. I'm going to do another video on how to raise a small account, and if you haven't watched one of my videos on how to raise a small account, I'll put the link in the description box below. And yeah, bye for now.